Hi, this is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee. Thank you for visiting my channel. This is a follow-up video to the Val's Craft Creations collaboration videos that were posted from January 28th to February 4th. This is the video where I will show the prize that April Storm Paper Studio won. I will tag April Storm Paper Studio in the comments, and you can check out her channel also. I want to thank Val for doing this collaboration. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed seeing everybody's videos. I will also put the link tree with everybody's YouTube pages are on there, so you can go view those videos if you haven't already. Again, it's Val's Craft Creations collaboration, and there we go. My winner was April Storm Paper Studio, and now I'm going to show you a look at what she won. I dug into my stash for this prize. I have a lot of stuff I've made that I haven't given away. I kind of become attached to the projects as I make them, and I need to be better at giving them away and letting somebody enjoy them. So these are 5 mini albums that were each made with one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and I use graphic 45 papers. I may not know all the names because some of these were just like some loose pages that I had from other projects. So let's take a look at the first one. These were, I will post the playlist from Lyric Lovers Crafts with her 5 mini albums with one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. Okay, this was, I don't know what collection, maybe somebody can post it in the comments. So this is graphic 45. I tied it off with that. Inspire, to influence, move, or guide, to exert an animating, enlivening, or exalting influence. And then words for thank you on the back. So let's take a look. It's been a while since I did these, so it's kind of like a new surprise for me too. All right, so you open this up. There is a little pocket here, and in that little pocket there is a tag. Oh, this must be couture. This is one of the collection I love. And then in here there's another little tag, and this might be couture and typography. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't remember. This was made quite a while ago. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Here's another little pocket with a tag. Again, that same style of pocket here, a slide-in pocket with another little journal, another tag, and a pocket with a tag. Very simple. I don't remember how long this took to make, but I hadn't looked at it in a while, and I really do love it. Okay, I don't think there's one in here. Nope. I didn't put one in there for some reason. I did put one in here. So I think this is typography and couture. One more there. So that is the first album of the 5, and these will all 5 be going to April Storm Paper Studio. Okay, here's album number 2. And this, I don't know which collection this is too. Probably couture again. Okay, so this is a simple little album. I think that's 1 page with a tag. Like I said, this is all new to me. It's been so long. This is definitely typography, so I'm thinking couture and typography on this one too. But I'm really not 100% sure. So if you know, tell me. This is mini album number 2. And there's a pocket there. And these, like I said, each album was made with the main album being made with 1 piece of 12 by 12 paper. And this one has a tuck-in spot where you could tuck something in there. And another tag. And these would make a great card mini album that becomes a card. Okay, number 3 has a little bit different flap. And I use seam binding or a ribbon. Oh, this one folds out. Okay, this one is an accordion album. That's the bad side. Here's the other side. Lots of room for pictures on this one. And the tags are very simple. Just a simple tag in both of these. So that's a fun little simple accordion album. Now let's see if I can put it back together. There we go. So that is mini album number 3 of 5. The playlist I'll post has 5 different videos, one for each of these albums, and Lyric Lover Crafts is just really does good tutorials. So, and most of these would work beautifully with some of Val's digital papers. Okay, here we have, I guess this one went like this. And we did the little button closure. Let's see, life without love is like a year without summer. A tree friend laughs when the stories are not so good and sympathizes with your troubles even when they are not so bad. Quick little tuck-in pocket there. A couple of tags, a journaling card and a tag in here. Flip it. There is a frame. You can put a photo in. There's a tag there. Again, these were simple, fast to make. I probably made all of these in one craft day or one craft morning. So that is album number 4. Okay, and the last one has a flip there. You could post photos. This. There's a flip there. That might be it. Oh, and then there is another one. So again, 5 mini albums, each made with just one sheet of paper. I think this one had a paper clip that must have fallen off, so I'll find another paper clip that you can clip on there to keep it close. So there are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mini albums inspired by Lyric Lover Crafts quite a few years ago too. And these will go to April Storm Studios. Again, I want to thank Val's Craft Creations. I want to thank Val for having this collaboration and getting me motivated to create and film and post. So thank you all for viewing. Please like this video if you liked what you saw. Check out Lyric Lover Crafts. Check out Val's Craft Creations and all of the other people in the collab. And leave me a like and subscribe if you'd like. Thanks again. This is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee, saying goodbye.